I have got one of the most widely recognizable puzzles of the world. Okay? The Rubik's Cube. How many of you are aware of the cube? Okay. I'm going to mix the cube up. Is the cube getting mixed? Is the cube mixed? Now watch. I'm going to take this mixed cube and no, you guys keep sitting. Wait. You come up. You now বাকিটা বসে যাও Okay, I place the mixed cube inside the bag. You hold with both your hands. Is the cube mixed in your bag? The cube was mixed, right? মিশিয়ে দিয়েছিলাম কিউবটাকে, তাই তো? Just say along with me 1, 2 and 3 when I snap my fingers. বলো 1, 2 and 3. And now if the mixed cube without me touching somehow becomes solved, is that going to be a miracle? যদি মেশানো কিউবটা সলভ করে গিয়ে থাকে সেটা কি একটা মিরাকেল হবে? হবে না? তুমি ওপেন করো, you open and take out the cube and see whether it is still mixed or it has magically solved itself. Solved? ওই বের করো। Two cubes, ধরো একটু। There are 2 cubes, right? You can keep this as a souvenir. Thank you. Yeah, boss.